welcome back to my channel where I make delicious recipes to inspire you every week. For today we'll be making this super healthy and absolutely delicious cauliflower rice. It's something that you can definitely have as a substitute to your rice and you will honestly love how it tastes. As always, you can find all the ingredients to this recipe in the description below. But for now, let's get cooking. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this delicious and healthy cauliflower rice recipe. If you do give this a try, do not forget to let me know in the comments below. If you do it in a different way, let me know which ways you tried to switch up the ingredients. And as always, if you loved this recipe, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell so you are notified the next time I post. And until next time, bye bye.